Wooden charcoal as adsorbent material to capture CO2 in the CI engine exhaust fueled with different blends of biodiesel. This important article is authored by the following scientists. A study on reducing the buildup of carbon dioxide, CO2, in the atmosphere is now necessary due to the issues with global warming and climate change brought on by greenhouse gas emissions, especially CO2. Carbon dioxide capture and storage, CCS, by absorption is a straightforward and superior technique for reducing CO2 emissions, despite the fact that several CO2 capture technologies have been developed for post-combustion processes. This study aims to reduce CO2 emissions from internal combustion engines by employing woody charcoal as an inexpensive adsorbent material. This study also encourages the transition to renewable and non-edible biofuels by demonstrating the potential of biodiesel blends made from cottonseed and neem oil. The study also explores CO2 collection methods using adsorbents to assist governments and companies in implementing cleaner energy sources. A single-cylinder, 4-stroke, computerized water-cooled, diesel engine with a 3.5 kilowatts rated power was used to test the emission characteristics of the cottonseed oil and neem oil blends by varying the engine loads. This study was done for both with and without CCS. 100 grams of wooden charcoal was utilized in this analysis. According to the results, when operating at full load, the CCS with wooden charcoal absorbed CO2 emissions by 11.4%. Further, the CO and HC emissions were also absorbed by 12% and 13.75%, respectively. However, because of the back pressure, the brake thermal efficiency for CCS is somewhat reduced. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is a major cause of climate change, contributing to about 60% of global warming. It comes from many industrial sources like power plants, car engines, and factories. As more CO2 is released, it causes rising sea levels, melting ice, stronger storms, and ocean acidification, which harms marine life. Although forests and oceans absorb some CO2, a large amount remains in the air for thousands of years, worsening climate change. To reduce CO2 levels, scientists are exploring methods like carbon capture and storage, CCS, and carbon capture and utilization, CCU. CCU is especially promising because it can turn CO2 into useful products like fuels and chemicals. Different technologies, such as using special solvents or filters, help capture CO2 from factory or engine exhaust. Biodiesel is another solution gaining popularity because it comes from plant oils and is considered more eco-friendly. This study tested blends of cottonseed oil and neem oil with diesel fuel in an engine and used activated carbon made from wood charcoal, soaked in a chemical solution, to absorb CO2 from the exhaust. Results show that this method can reduce harmful emissions, making it a promising step toward cleaner energy and better air quality for the future. This study tested a simple way to reduce harmful emissions from a diesel engine using a blend of cottonseed and neem oil as fuel. Researchers added an activated carbon system made from wood charcoal to the engine's exhaust to trap carbon dioxide, CO2, and other pollutants. The results showed that this method reduced CO2 emissions by 11.4% compared to an engine without the carbon system. It also lowered carbon monoxide, CO, by 12% and unburned hydrocarbons, HC, by 13.75%. Although there was a slight drop in the engine's efficiency, the environmental benefits were clear. The study proved that wood charcoal is effective at absorbing CO2 even under high pressure and temperature. This simple and cost-effective method could be used by industries to reduce air pollution and fight climate change. Overall, Using natural fuel blends and activated carbon filters can make engines cleaner and more eco-friendly. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.